Welcome back to Crystal Store. Today we're talking about something really important for every crystal owner: how to cleanse your crystals properly. If you've been carrying your stones around or using them for meditation and healing, they're absorbing energy constantly. And just like you need to recharge yourself, your crystals need the same care. So let's dive into the best ways to bring your crystals back to their natural, powerful state. Why crystals need cleansing. Crystals are like energetic sponges. They absorb everything around them, the good, the bad, and everything in between. When you first get a crystal, it's already traveled through many hands. It's been mined, transported, handled by different people, and each interaction leaves an energetic imprint. Even after you bring it home, your crystal continues to absorb energy from your environment, your emotions, and the people around you. This is actually a beautiful thing because it means your crystal is doing its job. But over time, all that absorbed energy can make your stone feel heavy or dull. You might notice it doesn't sparkle the way it used to, or it just doesn't feel right when you hold it. That's your crystal telling you it needs a cleanse. Think of it like taking a shower after a long day. You wash away everything that's weighing you down so you can feel fresh again. Your crystals need that same kind of reset. Regular cleansing keeps their vibration high and their energy pure, so they can continue supporting you in the best way possible. Smoke cleansing with sage or incense. Smoke cleansing is one of the gentlest and most versatile ways to purify your crystals. This practice has roots in many ancient cultures and is still widely used today because it's safe for almost all types of stones. You can use white sage, palo santo, cedar, or even natural incense sticks. The smoke carries away negative energy and leaves your crystal feeling light and refreshed. To cleanse with smoke, light your sage or incense and let it burn for a moment until you see a steady stream of smoke. Then hold your crystal in the smoke or wave the smoke around it using your hand or a feather. As you do this, set a clear intention. You can say something simple like, "I cleanse this crystal of all unwanted energy," or just focus your mind on releasing anything that doesn't serve the stone. Let the smoke surround the crystal for about 30 seconds to a minute. You'll often feel a shift in the energy. It becomes lighter and more open. This method is especially great if you have a large collection of crystals, because you can cleanse multiple stones at once by passing them through the smoke one by one. Just make sure you're in a well-ventilated space and always practice fire safety when working with flames. Moonlight cleansing during a full moon. The moon has a powerful connection to intuition, cycles, and renewal. Cleansing your crystals under moonlight, especially during a full moon, is a deeply spiritual and effective practice. The full moon represents completion and release, making it the perfect time to let go of old energy and recharge your stones with fresh, high-vibration energy. This method is completely safe for all crystals, so you never have to worry about damaging them. To cleanse with moonlight, simply place your crystals outside or on a windowsill where they can absorb the moon's glow. You can lay them on the earth, on a natural cloth, or even on a wooden tray. Leave them out overnight and bring them back inside in the morning. Sound cleansing with bells or singing bowls. Sound is a powerful tool for shifting energy, and it works incredibly well for cleansing crystals. When you create sound vibrations using bells, singing bowls, tuning forks, or even your own voice, those vibrations move through and around your crystals, breaking up any stuck or heavy energy. This method is safe for every type of crystal and is especially useful if you want to cleanse a large collection quickly. To cleanse with sound, hold your crystal near the sound source or place it inside a singing bowl if you have one. Strike the bell or bowl and let the sound ring out fully. You can also run a mallet around the edge of a singing bowl to create a continuous tone. As the sound waves move through your crystal, they recalibrate its frequency and bring it back into harmony. You might even feel the vibration in your own body, which is a sign that the energy is shifting. How often should you cleanse your crystals? How often you cleanse your crystals really depends on how you use them. If you carry a crystal with you every day, wear it as jewelry, or use it during emotional or healing work, it's going to absorb a lot of energy quickly. In these cases, cleansing once a week or even every few days is a good idea. If you have crystals that sit on a shelf or are only used occasionally, cleansing them once a month or whenever they feel heavy is usually enough. Trust your intuition here. Sometimes you'll just know when a crystal needs cleansing. It might feel off when you hold it, look a little dull, or you might even feel drawn to cleanse it without knowing why. Pay attention to those signs. Your energy and your crystal's energy are connected, so you'll often sense when something needs to shift. After any intense situation, like an argument, a stressful day, or working through difficult emotions, it's always a good idea to cleanse your stones. They've been absorbing all of that, and a quick cleanse will help them, and you feel lighter. Regular cleansing is an act of respect and care for your crystals. Choosing the right method for your crystal. Not every cleansing method works for every crystal, and that's okay. Part of being a mindful crystal owner is learning what your stones need. Some crystals love water, while others will dissolve or crack if they get wet. Some prefer the gentleness of moonlight, while others thrive with the intensity of smoke or sound. Start by researching the specific stones you own. There are plenty of resources online and in books that list which crystals are water safe, which are sensitive to sunlight, and which methods work best for different types. If you're ever in doubt, go with smoke or sound. These are the safest options and work for just about everything. You can also combine methods. For example, you might cleanse a crystal with sage smoke and then place it under the full moon to charge it with intention. Or you might rinse it in salt water and then use a singing bowl to seal in the fresh energy. There's no rulebook here. The most important thing is that you approach the process with intention, respect, and a little bit of intuition. Your crystals will respond to your care, and over time, you'll develop your own personal cleansing rituals that feel right for you and your collection. And that's how you cleanse your crystals properly. Remember, your stones are working for you every single day, so give them the love and attention they deserve. When they're clear and charged, they can support you in deeper, more meaningful ways. Try out these methods and see which one resonates with you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Crystal Store for more crystal tips and spiritual guidance. Until next time, stay grounded and keep your energy high. The information provided in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical or psychological condition. Crystal healing is a complementary practice and should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for any health concerns. Individual results may vary, and Crystal Store makes no guarantees regarding the outcomes of using crystals.